Look at this. It's so cold out here. My nose is probably red. I don't care.
Alright, we're on an adventure today, right?
Yep. Yeah.
What are we doing?
Going to get a Christmas tree.
Getting a Christmas tree? We're gonna go get a Christmas tree. Today we drove the Vega up the mountain. We'll give you a look at that later. You guys haven't seen that. Taking a break from the shop?
Yeah.
What's today?
Christmas.
No.
Thanksgiving.
No.
That's tomorrow.
Thanksgiving's tomorrow, right?
Today we're getting our Christmas.
So this is our tradition. We try to get our Christmas tree around Thanksgiving so we can make Christmas happen ASAP after Turkey Day. So here we are up here in the forest. We're gonna go exploring. So last year we went right up there. There's a little pull out. There's pretty good trees on each side of the road, but it snowed last night and they didn't plow the pull out. So we're gonna hunt Christmas trees down in there. So when it's clear, let's cross the road. All right, let's go. You want to hold the camera? Oh, that's kind of steep.
On our booties.
You want to slide down?
Yeah. I can't.
Coveralls are sticking. You want to hold my hand, sweetheart?
If I go down.
That was fun. Whoa!
Is this off limits? This is illegal!
This is off limits to people with no sense of adventure. Go wander around, see if you can find us a tree. Aaron, point the camera of where you're walking.
Yes, we gotta go here. Oh, look. It's a maze!
A tree maze? I've heard of a corn maze, but never a tree maze.
Follow my path. Come on.
If you get too far in there, they're gonna have bald spots. Look at this one right here.
I don't like that one.
He doesn't like that one.
Dad, come here. Come in the maze. Who wants to come in the maze with me? I will. And it ends right here.
Oh, wow.
It ends right here. Or you can make a little path through there.
No, look over here.
Ah. But I'm not going to go through there because I'm going to go find a Christmas tree. You guys have fun. Let's made his way through. This is my little brother. You've seen him in some videos. My legs. It's eating my legs.
It's a good tree. We'll keep that one in mind.
Oh yeah!
Look at this one. Oh, look at that one. It's got squirrely arms.
You want it?
No.
Aw.
Ha ha ha.
There.
Sometimes we get real picky and sometimes we just stumble upon the one that says, pick me. So we're working on Kinsey's truck right now, trying to get it going for Christmas. We'll see if that happens. Getting ready for Thanksgiving holiday. Hopefully you guys are gonna have a good Thanksgiving. It's kind of a nice little tree nestled in there. Kind of like the skinny ones. We don't have a whole lot of room in the living room. Uh-oh, kids are getting cold already.
Dad, can I
Better hurry it up.
Can I hold the camera, Dad?
Let's let Rooks take a turn with it.
Look, you wanna hold the camera?
You want to take him on an adventure through the maze?
What's hard from here? Okay, that's hard. Whoa! I hid from you in the trees, Herbert. Huh? I took a turn off.
All right, we found a tree. We're gonna take this one, so I'm gonna get to cutting.
I like Christmas, but when it's cold, I hate it. When is it gonna fall down? Down over there. Timber!
Timber! Okay. We'll get her back to the car and tie it on.
Mom, I try not to fall in the snow,
Oh.
but I keep falling in the snow.
Okay. This is the 1974 Chevy Vega camback wagon. My grandfather is a Vega savant. Him, my grandma, my mom, all her siblings, everybody had Vegas. And when I was a kid, probably a little bit before I was a teenager, my grandpa gave me one. It was yellow hatchback, and I tinkered on it and stuff, and it had, whoever had pulled, it didn't have an engine in it. He had an extra engine. I put an engine in it, and somebody had junkyarded the wiring harness, and I just couldn't figure it out, and ended up selling it. But this car here was my grandpa's commuter car. He drove it to work every day at the phosphate mine here in town, and then it got put in storage and sat there forever, and I finally conned him out of it, and now I drive it every day to the power plant. So it's been fun. We've done a little bit of work to it, but I got a lot of stuff in store for it. So stay tuned. We're gonna be working on this thing too. We probably would have brought the truck, but I noticed that it had a broken leaf spring the other day, so it's out of commission until we do that. So we got Kinsey's truck finished, so I can get my truck fixed, so I can have a truck again, and then we'll get this in the shop. Planning on doing the S10 spindle swap, rear end swap. It's got a 3.8 Buick V6 in it, so cool stuff coming. Anyways, have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We appreciate you guys and all that you do and the support that you give us, and we just want to say thanks. So have a good one.